In this movie, I'm going to create the L-shaped decorative wall in the dining area. Zoom extend and zoom into this wall. Set UCS, type P and enter. Select the wall, pick outside, and pick this viewport. Now I'm going to create a frame of this L-shaped decorative wall. Type PL to draw polyline. The first segment 600 mm. The second segment 2800 mm. Type O to offset and give it an offset distance 50 mm. Click this polyline and click on this side. Draw another 2 polylines to close this shape. Type PE to apply the polyline edit. Select this line. Type J to join. And select the rest of the lines. Go to Elevation, Decoration and Wood Panel. The board thickness will be 900. Click OK. Select this polyline, pick an internal point, and this wood panel is created. Now I will hide the 3D objects in this view. Select this polyline and explode it. Type O to offset. The offset distance is 50 mm. Select this line and click inside the shape. Same here. Now I'm going to create a big rectangle solid to subtract this frame. Touch this point and I got an on-track dashed line, and also I will touch this point and I got another on-track dashed line, and I will click on the intersection of these 2 dashed lines. Okay, extrude this rectangle by 840 mm. Move this solid to the negative direction of Y coordinate by 30 mm. Select Subtract in Solid Editing. Choose the L-shaped solid and choose this big solid. Now this is the frame of our decorative wall. Now I return WCS. Switch viewport to top and 3D view. Now I will draw the decorative wall here. Draw a rectangle here, and the size is 4300 by 840. draw another rectangle from this point. The size is 2750 by 840. Apply Command DLI to measure the lengths of these two rectangles. Zoom into the smaller rectangle. And now I will further divide this rectangle with even smaller rectangles. I suggest you draw the rectangle pattern just like what I'm doing here. Okay, next check in 3D view. Okay, now move to the bigger rectangle. I will also further divide this rectangle with some smaller rectangles. Now let's give new boundaries to all the closed areas in this shape. Okay, now I will extrude the areas with different height. This set of areas I will extrude it by -20 millimeters. And I will apply a similar operation to the rest of the shape. Select these two solid board, and I will change their color to cyan. Okay, let's continue to extrude the closed areas on the left part. Pay attention that this rectangle I will extrude it by minus 240 millimeters. Select these 3 solid boards and change their color to cyan. Alright, now let's delete the dimension. Apply Command Rotate 3D to rotate the left part. Select the left part. Choose this line for axis. Rotation angle minus 90. OK. This is our L-shaped decorative wall. Now I'm going to move this decorative wall into its frame. Select it. Pick this point to move. And I will move it to here. Now I will move the whole L-shaped decorative wall to the room. Select it all and move it with this point. And I'll move it to about here. Okay, now let's merge it to VR and see how it looks like. Alright, this is our L-shaped decorative wall.